Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your what fees. Dear students, you are watching Classic Science, chapter number 9, Movement in Animal, part 4. So let's start, dear students. In flapping flight, the wings are actively flapped up and down to propel the bird forward or maintain balance. Dear students, earlier we discussed that is two type of flight. That is, first is flapping flight. Dear students, in the flapping flight, wings are actively flapped ups and down and propel the bird forwards and maintain the balance. You can see this in the birds such as the sparrow and myna. Now, dear student, gliding and soaring are seen in the large birds such as eagle and kites. If you observe an eagle or kite in a flight, you will be see that its wings are capped, spread, as it appear to move effortlessly in the air. During the gliding, the wings are flapped occasionally. Dear students, I will show you the movement in the birds flight. Dear students, we know very well the birds have a streamline shaped body which help to fly in the sky. That is a streamlined body, tail, feather, wings. Now, dear student, discuss what are the features in the birds that help in them flight. Which of these features are most are not likely to be seen in the flightless bird? Dear student, as we know very well, the four limbs are modified into the wings, help them fly. And dear students, hind limbs are used for walking and preaching. Dear students, they have a streamlined body that cut the air current while flying. Dear students, that have a powerful chest muscles which help them in flying their wings during the flight. Dear student, their bones are very hollow, which makes their body light. Now, dear students, come to the movement in snake. Now, the dear students, movement in snakes do not have a legs or arm. Dear students, snake do not have a leg, yet they have a ability to move rapidly. They move by crawling on their belly. Dear student, a snake has a long and flexible vertebrate column. Each vertebrate is connected to pair of ribs, which are connected to the belly scales at the bottom. They move by using their muscles and long backbones. Snakes are thin and long and have a scales all over their bodies. They have a strong muscles attached with their ribs and skin backbone. Now, the dear students, unlike human, the ribs are not attached to the chest bone, so the ribs are free and help in movement. Snakes move by the slithering or the zigzag manner. The free end of the ribs act like limbs to hold on to the surface. The contraction and relaxation of muscles help the snakes move. Snakes move best or rough surface. Dear students, movement in the snakes. Dear students, flexible body. Dear student, movement in the snakes and sizzling. Dear students, that the snakes move by the turning its body into several loops on alternate side. Dear students, each loops of the snake. Dear students, each loop of the snake skip forward push by pressing against the ground. Since its long body makes many loops and each loop gives it a forward push, and snake moves forward very fast. Snake do not move in a straight line, they move in a wave-like manner. Now, dear students, revise and recall. Match the following, dear students, column A, column B. Dear student, first A column, earthworm, fish, bird, snake, cockroach, snail. Now, dear students, thick muscular foot, hollow bones, fins, 6 jointed legs, segments and stake, scale, bone, backbones and ribs. Dear students, so earthworm match with the dear students, that is dear students, segments and the stave. So right here, dear student, fifth. Now come to the fish, dear student. Fish, dear students, that is match with the fins. Birds, dear students, hollow bones. Snakes match with the, dear students, scale, bones and ribs. Now cockroaches, dear students, cockroach, dear students, 6 jointed legs. And snail match with the, dear student, thick muscular foot. So hope you understood, dear students, these paragraphs. Dear students, you have to read these paragraphs thoroughly. Thank you, students. Stay home, be safe.